The good thing about acrylic glass is that you can carve logos and objects, and then when you light it from the side or from the top, then it will shine, and this is a pretty cool effect. So here you can see one of my very first, many years ago, produced Waterwall using acrylic glass. And yes, I don't like the material so much because it's not so resistant against temperature, scratches, and UV light, and it's also not so hydrophilic as glass, so you need more water to get a complete water film. But if you have a situation where you want to create a eye catcher with some shining logos, this might be still a solution instead of other materials. What we've done too, which is also then better to use acrylic glass, we have created this symbolic clouds which then later fed the water into a glass waterwall. So that's the good thing about acrylic glass. It is very flexible when creating special things, and if you have a good supplier who can also bend the acrylic glass, then you can create pretty cool things with it. And well, I also had a customer asking me for those pillars made out of acrylic glass. We filled them with crystal stones. This is maybe not the best picture, but again, it's a way to use acrylic glass because you can't use another material to create such shapes. Then the synthetic materials, as I'm describing later, here you can see a waterwall of one of my competitors, which then, well, actually didn't work, and the customer asked me to help them. But what you can see here is like, I think 13 or 15 meter high waterwall. It's, I think, only 1.50 meter wide, or 1.20 meter, and it's made of a artificial stone. They claim it has about 63 or 67 ingredients, and yeah, it looks like natural stone, and they come with all kind of colors, but it's not sustainable. So in the long run, what happened here is the stone began to break, and I know it from one of their service guys that this is a very common problem with this artificial stone, that it's not stable. I don't know if it's the temperatures or if it's the statics, but it's simply not stable. So when you do artificial things, test them to be sure that they are going to last for a long time, or just use it for short time water features.